I'm going to be unboxing some little items for you guys. So who doesn't like Barbies? I'm going to unbox 3 items for these Barbies. So let's start opening. So first, let's go to this mystery Barbie. Well, what is this thing? This is a mystery Barbie accessory. It might have 2 to 3 accessories in it. And you can get all of these right on the top. Okay, so let's start opening it. Let's see if I can open this up. Okay. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is a beautiful bag. And I found this at Walmart for 94 cents only. And this is beautiful. It's shiny and it's transparent. And it's so cute. It's a summer vibes. Also, it comes with this tiny bracelet. Super cute. And how you can find out, I found this one right here. The watermelon bag with the cute little bracelet. Next time you might even get this with sunglasses. You can get this type of bag that's a circle with another type of glasses. An orange bag with a beautiful golden bracelet. And this is the one I got. You can get a wallet, cute heart sunglasses, and this bracelet, and a beautiful purple bag. You can also get these. These are rare ones. This one is a little dress with this bracelet. Let's move on and open this Chelsea Club Barbie doll. So first, let's see if we can see it. Okay, perfect. We can take this off. Now use the scissors to cut off the band on her hair. And we're finished. Here she is. She's beautiful. She's so pretty. I love her brown hair. Oh, and another band is sticking on her. Let me get that off. Oh, there. She's so pretty. Her hair is so silky. I love this. I also have 2 other ones. And this one has cute sunglasses, a shirt that says just be you, and emoji skirt. It's beautiful. I love it. And this one has a seashell shirt, a mermaid skirt, and pearl shoes that are super shiny. Now we're gonna open our last Barbie pack. And this comes with 3 outfits and 2 accessories. So let's start opening. And these are the outfits that we have. Now we're gonna open them. So let's see behind us. We're just gonna pull it out, just like that. And it should be connected to something. So now we're going to cut that off. There. Now I'm gonna dress my Barbies with their new outfits. So let's start with her. Let's put her away. Do you like their new outfit more or their old outfits? These are the furniture that my Barbies have in their houses.
use your voice with me.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Give a thumbs up and subscribe. But don't forget to comment down below which one of these you like more. Bye!